Hello, how are you all? कैसे हो आप लोग? Hope everybody is fine and in good health. First of all, I must say thank you to all of you who give me such a tremendous love and affection for my channel and your valuable comments and feedback. I'm so happy to see all those things because it gives me a motivation to post more and more videos on the subject or other subjects of computers. Really, I like it so much. I'm so happy and I'm thankful to all of you. Many of the students commented me, ma'am, please post the video on other subjects like DBMS, networking, operating system. And they write many mails also. I receive many mail from other persons also, like other students. They said, "Ki, ma'am, we have problem in the subject, They have given me the topics even. And really, I am so happy. And please share your comment and feedback and keep this scenario with me. Okay? So that I'll try to post as soon as I'll get time. I'll definitely post more and more videos. So now today I'm going to start with my new topic, that is your iteration statement. So I'm sharing my screen with you all so that you can understand the topic easily. Fine. Chali, let me start my topic. The topic is iteration statement. Till now we have done with that conditional statement. हमने अभी तक पढ़ा जिसमें हम लोग ने if condition पढ़ा था, if else पढ़ा, nested if पढ़ा. In that we have to specify the condition with the if, and if it is true, then we'll go on the process. And now we have to go with this iteration statement, जिसमें हम लोग loops के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. But first of all, you must aware about this iteration statement. What do you mean by iteration statement? Iteration statement means repetition of set of statements in the program. कोई भी statement अगर वो बार बार repeat हो रही है, तो that is known as your loop. Fine. And there are three kinds of loop we have in a programming language of computers. One is while loop, for, and do while. But in Python, we have only two loops, that is for and while. Okay, so we'll do these two loops one by one. I'll start with this while loop today. And in the next video, I'll go with that for statement. Okay. Before going to the loop, you must know about the structure of loop, how this loop work. Means, for example, हम एक example लेते हैं. If I need to print the series from 1 to 5. ठीक है, बहुत basic सा example है. I'm printing the series from 1 to 5. इसमें क्या हो रहा है? हम एक 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something is repeating in this. What is that? I'm increasing the value by +1. Like 1 + 1, 2, 2 + 1, 3, 3 + 1, 4, 4, 1 + 5. Like this. It is repeating. तो +1 का increment बार बार हो रहा है. So this is the loop. What I'm doing? I'm repeating one task. What task I'm repeating? I'm repeating +1 in each and every number. ठीक है? So this is your structure of loop. So for that you need to start with the starting point. What is my starting point? मैं loop को कहाँ से start कर रही हूँ? मेरे को series print करनी, तो what will be my starting point? My starting point will be 1. And the second thing is, what is your condition or ending point? 5 will be my condition, and 5 can be your ending point. And what I'm doing in this, I'm doing increment. I'm increasing the value in this. So I'm doing +1 in this. 1 + 1, 2, 2 + 1, 3, 3 + 1, 4, 4 + 1 is 5. Like this, you are able to do the increasing, increment the value. Fine. So come to my first loop. There are two loops, as I said, in Python. One is while and one is for. So I'm going to start with while loop. So first of all, you must aware about this while. While should be in lowercase. हम इसको lowercase में लिखेंगे. Second thing, you have to keep it in your mind. You have to put colon. As you are putting the colon in the if condition, same with while loop also. And same with for loop also. Okay. So what is the while statement? While statement execute the block of statement repeatedly as long as the condition of the loop is true. Means जब तक आपकी कंडीशन ट्रू रहेगी तब तक वो स्टेटमेंट जो भी while के अंदर लिखा हुआ है, while ब्लॉक के अंदर लिखा है, वो रिपीट करता जाए. जैसे वो फॉल्स होगी, इट विल कम आउट ऑफ द लूप एंड द प्रोग्राम विल स्टॉप एग्जीक्यूटिंग. ठीक है, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस. So I'm starting the value with 1. I is equals to 1. This is my starting point. As I said, you have to start with your starting point. So I should mention the starting point. So I is equals to 1. Then while, next statement is while, और while के अंदर हम क्या लिखेंगे? I is less than equals to 5. What is this less than equals to? This is known as your relational operator. And then 5 is what? 5 is your ending point. Or you can say it is your condition. कि मुझे कहाँ तक जाना है? I need to go till 5. So this is my condition. Acha. If a condition is true, then print I and increase the value of I. So सबसे पहले मेरी condition क्या होगी? I की value 1 हो गई. हमने condition check करी. हम next statement में condition check कर रहे हैं. What I'm doing? I'm checking the conditions. Whether 1 is less than equals to 5. Is it true or false? True. Condition true हो गई. Then I'll come to the next statement. हम while के अंदर आ गए. While के अंदर क्या लिखा है? Print I. So I'm printing the value of I. And then I need to increase the value. The third thing is what? मैंने first और second thing finish कर ली. Starting point दे दिया, condition दे दी, और third will be my increment or decrement. So I'm increasing the value. Now I need to print the value from 1 to 5. So I have to increase. So I have mentioned here I plus 1. ठीक है, तो I की value पहले क्या हुई? 1. 1 is less than 5. Yes, true. Print किया. I 1 plus 1. What it becomes now? 2. फिर हमने कंडीशन चेक करी, क्योंकि ये रिपीट करेगा. जब तक आपकी कंडीशन ट्रू रहेगी, ये स्टेटमेंट रिपीट होती रहेंगी, एक लूप में चलती जाएंगी, सर्कुलर मोशन है. ठीक है, तो 2 इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 5. यस, इट इज ट्रू. ठीक है, तो उसने 2 को प्रिंट किया. देन अगेन नाउ आई इज व्हाट? 2. 2 plus 1 3. फिर उसने 3 को चेक किया. क्या 3 इज लेस देन 5 है? यस, इट इज देयर. सो आई हैव टू प्रिंट आई. 3 प्रिंट हो जाएगा. फिर 3 plus 1 4. 4 इज लेस देन 5. यस, इट इज 5. Again 4 print हुआ. 4 plus 1 now 5. Whether 5 is less than equals to 5? Yes. If I'll not mention here equals to, so 5 is not less than 5 na? It is false. The loop will be stop here and it will not execute again. But I have mentioned here equals to sign, so it will go, because 5 is equals to 5. It will go inside now. Condition is true. It will print 5. Fine. Now 5 plus 1, that is 6. Again it will check. 6 is less than equals to 5? No, the condition is false. So in this, now the loop will be stop executing or program will be terminated. This loop will be terminated and the program will be stopped. So like this, you can write any sort of condition with the help of while and your program can be easily executed. Let me show you on my screen. This one, yes. Remove this. Let me write it here. I is equals to 1 while I is less than equals to 5. Put the semicolon here. Print I. Fine. Now what? I is equals to I plus 1. Fine. ये मेरा starting point. This is my condition. This is my statement. What I need to do in while, and this is your increment, the third one, which I said in that structure of loop according to that. So let me execute this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will print like this. Okay. If I'll want to print in reverse order, what I have to write? What will be my starting point then? The starting point will be my 5. Okay. And here I need to put greater than equals to, and what I'll write it here, I'll mention here 1, then print I, and here because I'm going in reverse order, तो अब मुझे क्या करना है? Decrease करनी है ना. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm decreasing the value. So I'll write it here I minus 1. Okay. Now let me execute this. So see 5 4 3 2 1. So in this you can do anything, like if you need to decrease the value by 2, so let me do 2 here. What will happen? 5 3 1. 5 minus 2 3. 3 minus 2 1. तो जो जैसे आप कंडीशन दोगे, जितना आप इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज करोगे, it will do it like that. Same as if I was doing with that in increasing order, so I can mention there I plus 2, I plus 3, as much you need, as per the requirement of the program you can do. ठीक है. Let me do one more question here. That is your I can use if condition also in this. Let me check the condition with even and odd. कि मुझे इवन और ऑड का क्वेश्चन करना है, मुझे वो चेक करना है. एक सीरीज ले लेते हैं, 1 to 5 वाली सीरीज ले लेते हैं, जिसमें मुझे चेक करना है कि कौन सा नंबर इवन है, कौन सा नंबर ऑड है. तो अब मुझे इसमें कंडीशन चेक करनी है. तो विच स्टेटमेंट आई यूज इफ कंडीशन, if else. So how to use it? Let's do it. I is equals to 1. ठीक है. While this is my I is equals to 1 is what? My condition, starting point. I'll write it here. I is less than equals to 5, colon. Then I have to write the condition because अब मेरे पास value आ चुकी है. Now I'll mention here if. I'll write it here. It's up to you whether you want to put bracket or not. If you don't want, you cannot. ठीक है. I modulus 2 equals to 0. This is what? Percentage sign. Modulus operator. I told you in this relational operator, this symbol is used to check the remainder. So what are the even numbers? Even numbers are those who are divisible by 2. Means उनका remainder हमारे पास क्या आना चाहिए? 0. तो वो even है, और नहीं तो वो क्या है? Odd. So let me print the message here. Print even. ठीक है. Let me print I also here. Okay. Now else. अगर वो even नहीं है तो क्या है? वो odd है. So odd. ठीक है. Comma I. Fine. Now what? मुझे थर्ड पॉइंट क्या करना है? इंक्रीज करना है ना वैल्यू को. ये मैं 1 से 5 तक चला रही हूँ. तो I'll write here I is equals to I plus 1. ठीक है. चलिए एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं इसको. See, odd is 1, even is 2, odd 3, even 4, odd 5. So you can use if condition also with the help of means while statement, anything as per the requirement of the program you can use. See, इसमें क्या हुआ? सबसे पहले इसमें I की वैल्यू उसने 1 लिया, 1 को चेक किया. 1 is less than equals to 5. Yes, it is true. अंदर आए, हमें क्या करना है? हमें 1 को चेक करना है, क्या वो 2 से डिविजिबल है? No, it is not. तो वो क्या करेगा? यहाँ तो जाएगा नहीं, because condition is false. तो false में हम कहाँ जाते हैं? else में जाते हैं. तो it will print the value odd. So odd 1 हो गया. फिर उसने क्या किया? I plus 1. That means 1 plus 1, that is 2. Again check the condition. 2 is less than 5. Yes, true. Again it will check the condition with the if, whether 2 is if we'll divide with by 2, whether it will come 0 or not. Remainder 0 आएगा? Yes, आएगा. ठीक है. तो वो अंदर if के अंदर आ गया. तो स्टेटमेंट उसने क्या प्रिंट कर दिया? 2. नेक्स्ट 3 लिया उसने. 2 plus 1 3. 3 को चेक किया. 3 is less than 5. ठीक है. ट्रू है. उसे चेक किया. रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा? नो. ठीक है. तो वो कहाँ चला जाएगा? एल्स में. इन एल्स पार्ट इट विल कम एंड इट इज ऑड. इट विल प्रिंट ऑड. So like this it will go till the condition is your false. As soon as the condition will be false, the loop will be terminated and the program execution will stop there. ठीक है. So like this you can do any sort of program. चलिए, let's come to the presentation. Okay. Iteration statement, मतलब रिपीट करते हैं चीजों को एक बार. हम क्या पढ़ा था अभी हमने? Repetition set of statements in a program using loop. ठीक है. लूप के 3 पॉइंट्स हैं जो आपको always you have to keep it in your mind. First starting point उसका क्या है? कंडीशन क्या है? इसे हम एंडिंग पॉइंट भी कह सकते हैं. द थर्ड इज योर इंक्रीमेंट और डिक्रीमेंट. ठीक है. टाइप्स ऑफ लूप में आपके पास दो लूप हैं पाइथन के अंदर, वन इज while एंड अनदर वन इज for. So what is while? While is a statement which is to be executed until and unless your condition is true. तो वो स्टेटमेंट रिपीट होंगी. अगर जैसे ही वो फॉल्स हुई तो वो वहीं पे लूप टर्मिनेट हो जाएगा और आपका प्रोग्राम का एग्जीक्यूशन स्टॉप हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So I hope you like this video, and please do share the video with your friends, whomsoever needed, so that they can also get help from these videos. And do subscribe my channel and mention your valuable feedback and comments over there. And if you have any query, any sort of problem, please do mention in my given mail ID. And I do provide the online classes also, one-to-one classes, in which I used to take many other subjects of computers, like networking, operating system, C, C++ language, Python also I used to take. And if you need it, so please do mention in the given mail ID. I'll try to definitely help you out. And again, once again, I'll say thank you to all of you, because really it motivates me very much to post more and more videos in this. Not only on Python, I'll try to post more videos on other subjects. As soon as I'll get time, I'll try to post of computer subjects also. Like I'm thinking to post some videos on DBMS or networking also. Fine. So thank you so much for your love and affection. Please do continue with this all. Thank you.